In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links to Stan's store. We're going to walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple link into a polished, clickable offer inside your store. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand panel and find the option labeled My Store. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to your main store view, where you'll see your store header and a list of any products you've already added. To create a new affiliate link, click the Add Product button. A menu will appear showing different product types you can create. From those options, choose URL to Media, since an affiliate link is essentially an external URL you want to feature. You'll now be taken into the product editor. Here, you'll see a preview area on the right, and in the center, you'll find the main product settings where you'll do most of your editing. This layout helps you see how your changes will look in real time. Stan Store gives you 3 style options for this type of product: button, callout, and embed. For affiliate links, the callout style usually works best because it lets you highlight the product with an image, title, and description in a way that really stands out. So for this tutorial, choose the callout option. Next, paste your affiliate link into the URL field. Make sure you copy the full tracking link from your affiliate program so that any clicks and commissions are properly recorded. Now it's time to choose an image for your affiliate product. Click Choose Image and a pop-up will open. Here you can either pick from images already available inside Stan Store, or click Upload Image to select a file from your computer. A clear product image or logo helps build trust and makes your offer more eye-catching. After that, add your affiliate link title. Use the official product name so people immediately recognize what you're promoting. Keep it short, accurate, and easy to read. Then add a subtitle. This is where you briefly explain what the product does and the main benefit. Focus on how it helps your audience, not just what it is. 1 or 2 short sentences are enough. Next, customize your button text. Match the wording to the action you want people to take, like start free trial, get access, or shop now. Make it feel natural and specific to the product you're promoting. When everything looks good, scroll down and click Publish at the bottom right. Wait for the page to reload, and you should see a confirmation pop up at the top of the screen. At this point, your affiliate link is live in your Stan Store and ready for your audience to click.